Alright guys, we are back at it again. We are going to be making freezer burritos. So what you'll need here is some soft taco shells, some taco seasoning. I'm going to put Lowry's in it. We've got some red peppers and green peppers and some onions, some mild salsa stuff, and refried beans, two 31 ounces. And then some meat. So we're going to start by frying the meat, the beans, and the
peppers and stuff on it.
Peppers and stuff. So we'll bring you over to the griddle here in a minute. Alright guys, so I got the peppers and stuff, the refried beans, and the meat cooking on the griddle here. Cook the everything till it's nice and warm, and then we'll show you what the next step is shortly. And we did add another thing. We're going to add some cheese also to these. Alright guys, so here we are. I got it all, put some taco seasoning and the Lowry seasoning on everything. Just going to let her cook for a little bit longer here. Make sure the meat's all done and the beans are nice and warm.
So, yeah.
Alright guys, so here we are almost to the next step here. So we still have to add the salsa. Salsa? No, it's cheese. The salsa and cheese. We're going to put it right in here and mix it up a little bit.
You didn't give me an extension cord yet.
Alright, so now we're to the next step here. We're going to mix the salsa, the cheese, and the meat stuff, and let that mix for a little bit, and then we'll pour that out, and
we'll pour it out.
We'll start mixing making the burritos.
Don't forget, I'm going to forget how to fold this.
Alright guys, so here's the final step on this.
We definitely do not have enough shells.
We only have 32 shells, so
someone is eating a pile of.
We'll just have to get some more shells to make the rest of these. But yeah, Rachel will just fill these up a little bit. You're gonna need more than that, a little bit more.
Really, it's gonna squirt out the ends.
Well, don't let it.
Again, I'm gonna have to Google the video again.
Well, see, you did it. See, I think you could have used more.
I think you could have used bigger shells. But no, you said get taco shells.
Well, they'll be too big then.
Yeah.
All right, so yeah, that's what they're going to look like, guys. And this is a great way to save money over buying them, the ones you can get at the store. I don't know. I think this whole thing maybe $20, and we'll figure out how many we get at the end. So.
And they'll probably taste better than those.
And they will. You can put more meat on there.
How about you do this?
Don't be scared.
And I'll go do my own thing, like I wanted to. Since
all right, guys. If life isn't interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. And like I said, this is a great way to save money, guys. Making your own beef, cheese, salsa, burrito things. It's alright if it just squirts a little bit. I like a little bit of squirting. We'll work on that later. Alright guys, we will see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Later.